Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly turn your photos into a magazine cover on CapCut. If you guys didn't know, CapCut has an amazing, easy to use effects that will instantly transform your selfie or photo into a professional looking magazine cover. So you can just open CapCut on mobile and go to the photo tools and click on the photo styler. Now select the photos that you want to edit. For example, here I'm going to use these photos right here. Then you can just click on next. Okay, so now you can just click on this button in the bottom right corner and you'll see this options. Now you can just describe what you want to do to this photo. So I'm going to just go make it look like a magazine cover. Okay, and you can just hit on submit on enter. Then CapCut will analyzing your photo and you can just wait until the magic happens. So this is it. You can see the before and after by clicking on this button in the bottom of your photo. So this is the before and here is the after as a magazine cover. And to save it, you can just click on the save button at the top right corner. So that's how you can edit your photos to a magazine cover using only CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next video.